Hey friends, welcome back to your channel. This is Shobtik and you're watching your channel ytsoupart. So today's drawing is again for this holiday season, that is Christmas, and who better than Santa. For this drawing, unlike the previous one, I try to do it digitally on my iPad, and in this app, I think you all are familiar with it. If you have seen any of the drawings on iPad, mostly artists nowadays they're using Procreate. So I'm using the same. Procreate has been a very good inclusion in my life for my drawings, for different kinds of projects that I'm getting. It has really been helpful. So for this drawing, what I wanted to do is draw Santa. For that I had to get some inspiration. I got it from one Google image which I really liked. I'm not sure about the name of the artist, but I re-sketched it directly digitally. It was a traditional drawing, but this one is similar, almost same of the drawing, but the twist here that I wanted to put in was a crystal. So it's kind of a crystal ball that I wanted to make, and inside that we will have Santa. So this can be a good of 3D image. I'm not that much of an expert for 3D paintings, but I have seen a few crystals like these, so I just wanted to draw it in a digital style, but more of in a traditional way. So if I had been using a pencil and used shades, how would it look like? So I just kept that in mind and then sketched this one the way it is. For the sketch, as I said, I was completely inspired by another artist from Google Images that I searched. The name was not present there, but the Santa here was smiling and I liked it. I liked the way he's standing, the gift that pops up from his bag, and that was something which was interesting. I just wanted to keep it as a sketch, so it just went on with my theme and my way of thinking for the drawing today. Hence I went ahead with this drawing. At first I was thinking of making a short, that is YouTube shorts video, but then again I thought let's make it a full sketch video, because 2020 has been a seriously good year for me, for my channel, and you guys have been so supportive. So why not a full sketch video? And I will definitely bring more shorts and different kinds of techniques, different tutorials and everything on for 2021. But for 2020, obviously health wise and social wise, we have not been in good shape. I'm no exception for that matter, but as far as drawing is concerned, as far as the channel growth is concerned, you guys have been so helpful. You guys have been responding to my comments, you have been responding to the videos that I have been posting, and that has been phenomenal, your support. So keep supporting me, and I will definitely try to bring you better content, better drawings every day, every week that I post. So I would love to be consistent, and thanks to your support, I believe I will definitely be able to achieve my dreams. Coming back to the drawing, it was kind of new for me that using Procreate for a sense of a drawing which would look like 3D, but I'm not a good 3D artist. As I said, I'm not an expert. So for that I had to play along with lots of layers and different basics of Procreate. I had to go back to YouTube and even on few other platforms where I had to learn a lot about Procreate, and that definitely helped. There are multiple different artists from whom I have learned. I cannot name all of them. In total, I would say I follow 300 to 400 artists as inspirations, and they have been really very successful. It's not their success that drives me. It's all about the way they sketch, the way they move ahead in their life with their drawings, with their art. That has been very, very inspiring. In 2020, I have done a lot more research than previous years, and I have searched so many artists that I get inspired every day, every moment, whenever I see their drawings, their art, their videos. So I, as a part of this community, very small content creator, I am very small of an artist in front of them, but still, you guys have been very much inspirational. Even the people, all of you who are commenting, who are watching my videos, thank you guys. Without your help, I would have not been able to do whatever little I have been able to achieve. It's all because of you. Thank you guys. Thanks for supporting, keep sharing my videos with your friends and family. If you like these videos, then hit the like button. That helps me grow, that helps the channel grow, and that motivates me to sketch every day, to draw every day, and paint every day. And for the final touches of the drawing, I went ahead with the ideas of the previous artists, but a bit here and there I kept on playing with light and darkness that I mostly do in my drawings. I think all of us now can understand what it is. For 2021, I have much more plans for beginners, for all of you who are thinking of drawing different parts of the body, the way I sketch, the way artists think before sketch. So there are lots of plans. So if you are new to this channel and if you have not subscribed yet, then come on, what are you doing? You need to subscribe it, right? So just smash the subscribe button and help me reach you and more of your friends. For this drawing, I will keep you up with the final check. See you again in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.